In this video, we will present the practical example of art de acreditar from Eliane Casarin using the cost-volume profit analysis. Cost-volume profit analysis, also known by break-even analysis, is a method to determine if a company can cover its expenses and be profitable. By identifying fixed and variable costs, the break-even point for the amount of revenues needed can be calculated. This point happens when income equals to zero, which means that total revenues are equal to total costs. Art de Acreditar is a new business about healthy therapies promoted by Eliane Casarin. Its mission is to stimulate people to have time to take care of themselves in an holistic way, body, mind and spirit. Eliane Casarin is a Brazilian immigrant in Portugal who intends to set up her own business. Her background is in healthy therapies and yoga. For the cost-volume profit analysis example, we will consider only profits from yoga group sessions and all the expenses of the business. Concerning profits, the unit selling price of 1 hour yoga group session is estimated to be €100. This value represents the contribution of 20 people with €5 each. The estimated number of sessions for 1 year is 150. Concerning the expenses, we need to divide them into fixed costs, which in this case total €10,400 for the whole year. This value includes depreciation, rents, advertising, electricity, communication, and other fixed costs. The cost of 1 hour of labor, which is considered to be our unit variable cost, is estimated to be €20. Now that we have the needed data, let's answer to some important questions. The first one is, what is the unit contribution margin? The response is €80, calculated by the difference between the unit selling price and the unit variable cost. And about the contribution margin ratio? The response is 80%, and it is obtained dividing the unit contribution margin by the unit selling price. And what is the total contribution margin? For answering this question, we only need to multiply the unit contribution margin by the number of estimated yoga sessions. So the total contribution margin is €12,000. And now let's calculate the break-even point. This means that we will have the number of yoga sessions we need to deliver in order to have a zero profit. For answering this question, we only need to divide fixed costs by the unit contribution margin. We obtain 130 yoga sessions. This means that if we deliver less than 130 yoga sessions, we will have a loss. In terms of value, the break-even point is obtained multiplying the number of yoga sessions in the break-even point by the unit selling price. The amount obtained is €13,000. Now let's see what is the estimated annual income of Art de Acreditar business. First, we need to calculate revenue, which is obtained multiplying the number of estimated yoga sessions by the unit selling price. We obtain €15,000. Second, we need to calculate variable costs, which are obtained multiplying the same number of estimated yoga sessions by the unit variable cost. We obtain €3,000. Fixed costs were already estimated in €10,400. The final operation is very simple, subtracting costs to revenue. The estimated annual income is €1,600. I hope these concepts are clearer now. Thanks for watching this video.